morning, it's Mark Liebowitz from VRTrader.com. This is a Liebowitz VR tutorial here on Metastock. Monday, August 8th. We're going to be looking at Saex exploration in just a moment. Big mover on Thursday and Friday. First, you're looking here at the order page for Metastock Volume Reversal Toolkit. It's $95 a month and incorporates 3 versions of my volume reversal, all incorporated in the toolkit. The sequential, which posts all positive and negative VRs. That's what I use on these videos. The directional, which filters out repetitive VRs, and our 2-day version, which is based on the premise that after a VR, you tend to get follow through for a couple of days. Sometimes it's 1 day, as we're going to see in this example now. Spectacular move, and sometimes it is a couple of days, but it does give you that sign of momentum and the sign of buyers and or sellers are coming into the market. As a brief reminder, I am the editor-publisher of VRTrader.com, the lead with VR newsletters, and we do offer a whole host of newsletters which incorporate many of the recommendations that we talk about here on these videos, including my gold letter, platinum letter, silver, my VR Forecaster annual forecast report, my Vice letter, and of course my book, The Trader's Book of Volume. And also, as a reminder, I do host a Wall Street Raw radio program, 10 a.m. Eastern, on the Genesis Communication Network, GCNlive.com. It is archived there. It is also on iTunes, and it is also carried on a few terrestrial stations, most notably KFNN 1510 Phoenix on Sunday on a repeat. So certainly you want to tune in if you can. Have some interesting guests. This is SAEX on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. This is a daily chart. You can see that I have my stochastic running on the bottom, and I have a 50-day moving average and a 200-day here, and that's about it. On Thursday, the stock traded as low as 757, positive VR on Thursday, and the stock took off. Even if you caught it intraday, got to a high of 49, and then one might have thought that was enough, and then you come in on Friday following the positive VR, and it opens at 45 and surges all the way to 75. Clearly a sign that speculative excesses are coming into the stock market, but also a great indication of how the VR can reward you surprisingly dramatically, as in this case. Again, we had that rising 533. We definitely always want to see that, and that's part of the rules, as you know, that I follow. You can see here an example of a positive VR. This is around June 18th, but we had a declining stochastic at that point. So as a general rule, that's the guidelines, and that's what makes most sense. So again, I encourage you to sign up for the indicator. I don't think you'll regret it if you haven't used it already. I've used it only for about 35 years, and it offers me a whole host of opportunities. Frankly, more VRs than I can even trade or pay attention to. But what we tend to do is look at our favorites. Thanks for tuning in.